برطانوی ہاؤس آف لارڈز میں پاکستان کی جمہوریت کو مشکلات اور سابق وزیراعظم عمران خان کی رہائی کے لیے ایک مباحثہ ہوا ہے، جس میں 2 درجن کے قریب تمام پارٹیوں کے ممبران آف پارلیمنٹس اور ہاؤس آف لارڈز کے ارکان نے شرکت کی ہے۔ اس ڈیبیٹ کا اہتمام بریڈفورڈ کی ممبر آف پارلیمنٹ ناز شاہ، ایم پی، سینیٹر عنان اور زلفی بخاری نے مل کر کیا تھا۔ پاکستان کی این جی او کے سربراہ صدر باری، میئر بانو قریشی اور دیگر نے خطاب کیا اور پاکستان میں ڈیموکریسی ان کرائسس، انسانی حقوق کی صورتحال اور آزادی اظہار رائے کے علاوہ 8 فروری کے الیکشن میں ہونے والی irregularities کا جائزہ لیا گیا۔
Journey to democracy since the 70s, has been patchy, but we've always made great strides. Our government was made in 2017, keeping in mind all these issues. We imagined in our wildest dreams that the Election Commission of Pakistan would hold such lens. I think that I have to go and tell people that my symbol is now what you call a tong, but my MPA in this constituency, 219, has a bowl, and the other guy in 220 has a pillow. And these are ludicrous symbols, by the way. Imagine contesting and saying, please vote for the pillow. Or like my brother who was given a pair of shoes, which is considered insulting in Pakistan, right? And anybody familiar with our culture would know that you don't give somebody a shoe. And he was the only one, I think, in all of Pakistan that was given that symbol. So it was a message. Message received because the people of Pakistan and the people of that constituency took that shoe and beat the government with it.
I have done previously and I will continue to do so. I will now stop and introduce you to my first speaker, and I'll read each of the bios as we go on. But we do have with us